Jai Hind, this is Rakesh Sahu from PSC Academy. Today we are going to discuss in world geography, Europe continent. There are 44 countries in Europe continent. We will design all 44 countries of Europe continent in such a way that which country touches which other countries or not. Let's see here. I am going to draw 44 countries of Europe continent. Here is Estonia. This is Estonia. This is Latvia. This is Latvia. And this is Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania. This is Lithuania. This is Lithuania. Lithuania. This is Denmark. This is Denmark. Here is an island. Here is an island. This is Greenland. Greenland is an island which is occupied by Denmark. It means Greenland is a portion of Denmark. Greenland is occupied by Denmark. Greenland is occupied by Denmark. Here is an independent country. This is Iceland. This is Iceland. Here is a country. This is Poland. This is Poland. Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Denmark, Poland. Greenland is a part of Denmark. This is Iceland. Is an independent country. Here there are 4 continuous countries. This is Czech Republic. This is Czech Republic. This is Czech Republic. This is Czech Republic. This is Czech Republic or Czechia. Its another name is Czechia. This is Czech Republic. This is Austria. This is Austria. This is Austria. I am drawing a line below this line. This is Slovakia. This is Slovakia. And this is Slovenia. This is Slovenia. This is Slovenia. Slovenia. This is Hungary. This is Hungary. This is Hungary. Complete this line like that. Okay. Here is a country, Portugal. This is Portugal. Here is a country, that is Portugal. Here is a country. This is Spain. Spain. Here is a country touching to Austria. This is Switzerland. This is S for Switzerland. This is S for Switzerland. Switzerland. This is Switzerland. I am drawing a line here. There are 2 continuous countries. This is Netherlands. The another name of Netherlands is Holland. This is Netherlands. This is Netherlands. This is Netherlands. This is Netherlands. The another name of Netherlands is Holland. Holland. And this is Belgium. Below the Netherlands, this is Belgium. touching with Belgium. Here is a country. This is L for Luxembourg. This is Luxembourg. This is Luxembourg. This is Luxembourg. I'm completing a line like that. This is France. This is France. Portugal, Spain, France. Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg, Switzerland. This is Italy. This is Italy. A country. This is San Marino. San Marino. San Marino is an independent country which is surrounded by Italy or covered by Italy. Here is a country that is Vatican City. This is Vatican City. Vatican City is the smallest country in the world. Vatican City is the smallest city in the world. The another name of Vatican City is Holy See. Holy See. Okay. A country which is only touching France. Here is a country which is only touching France. This is Monaco. This is Monaco. A country in between France and Spain. Here is a country in between France and Spain. This is Andorra. This is Andorra. This is Andorra. A country in between Austria and Switzerland. A country in between Austria and Switzerland. This is L for Liechtenstein. This is Liechtenstein. This is Liechtenstein. A country in between Austria and Switzerland. This is Liechtenstein. A country. Here is a country. This is an island country. This is Malta. This is Malta. Malta is an island country just like Iceland. Okay. Here is a country. The upper portion of this country is Scotland. This is Scotland. This is Scotland. Scotland. And the lower portion of this country is England. Scotland and England is commonly known as Britain. This is Britain. This is Britain. This is Britain. Scotland and England is commonly known as Britain. Scotland and England is commonly known as Britain. Here is the upper portion of this island. This is North Ireland. North Ireland. The lower portion of this island is known as an independent country. This is Ireland. This is Ireland. This is Ireland. The lower portion of this island is an independent country, that is Ireland. But North Ireland and Scotland and England means Britain, they are commonly known as a country, that is UK. UK means United Kingdom. UK means United Kingdom. United Kingdom. UK. Look at here. I am drawing the remaining countries of Europe continent. This is Romania. Romania is not touching Slovakia. This is Romania. This is Romania. Romania. This is Ukraine. This is Ukraine. Ukraine. Ukraine is not touching Poland. And this is a country, Belarus. This is Belarus. Rus. This is Belarus. I am drawing a line like that. There are 4 continuous countries. There are 4 continuous countries. First, second, third, fourth. This is C for Croatia. This is Croatia. This is Bosnia. B for Bosnia. This is Montenegro. This is Montenegro. And this is A for Albania. This is Albania. There are 4 continuous countries: Croatia, Bosnia, Montenegro, and Albania. In between Montenegro and Albania, here is a country K for Kosovo. K for Kosovo. K for Kosovo. Here is a country. This is North Macedonia. This is North Macedonia. This is North Macedonia. I am completing a line like that. This is a country. This is Serbia. This is Serbia. This is Serbia. Draw a line like that. This is Bulgaria. This is a country, Bulgaria. And this is Greece. This is Greece. It means Serbia is touching here Hungary, Romania, Bulgaria, North Macedonia, Kosovo. This is Montenegro, Bosnia, and this is Croatia. These are the neighbor countries of Serbia. Okay, I am drawing 2 countries of Asia. I am drawing here 2 countries of Asia. I am drawing here 2 countries of Asia. This is Turkey. This is Turkey. And this is Georgia. This is Georgia. Georgia and Turkey both are Asian countries. Here is Black Sea. Here is Black Sea. This is Black Sea. This is Black Sea. Black Sea is touching 6 countries. Black Sea is touching 6 countries. 4 countries of Europe continent and 2 countries of Asia continent, that is Georgia and Turkey. Black Sea is touching 6 countries, 4 countries of Europe continent and 2 countries of Asia continent, that is Georgia and Turkey. Black Sea is touching Ukraine, Romania, Bulgaria and Russia. This is a country of Europe, that is Russia. That is Russia. I am drawing here 3 continuous countries. This is Norway. This is Norway. This is Sweden. And this is Finland. Norway, Sweden, and this is Finland. This whole portion is of Russia. This whole portion is of Russia. This is Russia. Russia is touching here Norway, Finland, Estonia, Latvia, but not Russia is not touching Lithuania. This is Belarus. Russia is touching Belarus, Ukraine, Black Sea, and here is Georgia. This is Russia. This is Russia. Russia is touching 14 countries. It means there are 14 neighbor countries of Russia. There are 14 neighbor countries of Russia. Okay, look at here. Below the Europe continent, here is Africa continent. This is Africa continent. Here is a country. This is Iraq. This is Iraq. There are country of Asia. This is Syria. This is Syria. This is Israel. This is Israel. This is Palestine, and this is Jordan. This is Saudi Arabia. This is Saudi Arabia. This is Israel. This is Israel. This is Israel. Here is a country of Africa. touching with Israel. This is Egypt. 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 Egypt is touching here Israel. Egypt is touching here Israel. In between Europe continent and Africa continent. This is Africa continent. This is Africa continent. This is Africa continent. In between Africa and Europe continent, this water space is known as Mediterranean Sea. This is Mediterranean Sea. This is Mediterranean Sea. In between Europe and Africa continent, this whole water space is known as Mediterranean Sea. This is Mediterranean Sea. This is Mediterranean Sea. The whole portion of this water space is known as Mediterranean Sea. Below the Europe and above the Africa continent, here is a water space that is known as Mediterranean Sea. Black Sea is touching here 6 countries. The 4 countries of Europe, Ukraine, Romania, Bulgaria and Russia, and 2 countries of Asia, Georgia and Turkey. This is Black Sea and this is Mediterranean Sea. The country Turkey has developed. Here is a canal which is connecting the Black Sea and the Mediterranean Sea. This canal is known as Turkish Canal. This is known as Turkish Canal. Turkish Canal or Istanbul Canal or Istanbul Canal. Istanbul Canal, because it is situated in Istanbul. This is a canal which is connecting Black Sea and the Mediterranean Sea, which is the canal of Turkey country. This canal is known as Turkish Canal, or the another name of Turkish Canal is Istanbul Canal, because which is situated in Istanbul of Turkey. It means Black Sea and the Mediterranean Sea is connected by Turkish Canal or Istanbul Canal. Here is Red Sea. Here is Red Sea. This 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 is Red Sea. The Red Sea is connected with Mediterranean Sea. Here is a canal. This is called Suez Canal of Egypt. This is Suez Canal of Egypt. The Red Sea and the Mediterranean Sea is connected by Suez Canal, which canal is of Egypt. This is Africa continent. Here we have discussed all 44 countries of Europe. Here we have discussed all 44 countries of Europe. That is Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Poland, Czech Republic or Czechia, Austria. This is Slovakia, Slovenia, Hungary. This is Switzerland. In between Switzerland and Austria, here is Liechtenstein. This is Netherlands, Holland, Belgium, Luxembourg, France, Spain, Portugal. This is United Kingdom, Ireland. Greenland is a part of Denmark. This is Iceland. Here this is Monaco. This is Andorra. This is Croatia, Bosnia, Montenegro, Albania, Kosovo, North Macedonia, Serbia, Romania, Ukraine, Bulgaria, Norway, Sweden, Finland. This is Russia. This is Bulgaria, Greece. Turkey and the Georgia, both are the Asian countries. Here is Malta, Vatican City. This is San Marino. Russia. This is Germany. This is Germany. This is Germany. Germany touches 9 European countries. First is Denmark. Second is Poland. Third is Czech Republic or Czechia. Fourth is Austria. Fifth is Switzerland. Sixth is France. Seventh is Luxembourg. 8th is Netherlands or Holland, 9th is Belgium. These are the neighbor countries of Germany. Germany touches 9 European countries. This is Mediterranean Sea. This is Mediterranean Sea, and here is Atlantic Ocean. Here is Atlantic Ocean. Here is Atlantic Ocean. Here is Atlantic Ocean. This is Mediterranean Sea, and this is Atlantic Ocean. The Mediterranean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean is connected by a strait. Here is a strait that is known as Gibraltar Strait. That is known as Gibraltar Strait. Gibraltar Strait. Gibraltar Strait is connecting Mediterranean Sea with Atlantic Ocean. This is Gibraltar Strait. Gibraltar Strait is connecting Mediterranean Sea with Atlantic Ocean. This is Russia. Russia is the largest or biggest country in the world area wise. Area wise, Russia is the largest or biggest country in the world. Russia is the largest or biggest country in the world. This is Vatican City. Vatican City or Holy See is the smallest country in the world area wise. Area wise, largest or biggest country in the world is Russia, and area wise, smallest country in the world is Vatican City. Here we have discussed all 44 countries of Europe continent. That is Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Poland, Czech Republic or Czechia, Austria, Slovakia, Slovenia. This is Hungary. This is Switzerland. In between Switzerland and Austria, here is Liechtenstein. This is Portugal, Spain, France, Andorra, Monaco. This is Germany, Denmark, Netherlands or Holland, Belgium, Luxembourg. This is United Kingdom, Ireland, Iceland. Greenland is a part of Denmark. Here is Croatia, Bosnia, Montenegro, Albania, Kosovo, North Macedonia, Serbia, Romania, Ukraine, Belarus, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Russia. This is San Marino, Vatican City. San Marino, Vatican City. San Marino, Vatican City. Turkey and Georgia are the Asian countries, and Egypt is the African country. Here we have discussed all 44 countries of Europe continent. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.